Yes. So introduction is almost there. Yes, Vaishali, you have raised hand. Dr. Vaishali, you want to say something? No, okay. Okay, wait a small. Okay. Yes, Dr. Vaishali, you want to say something? Are you able to hear me? Some of you are saying not able to. Okay. Yeah, unmuted. You can unmute and ask. Okay. Yes, Dr. Vaishali ji, you want to say something?
Sir, it was reminder for recording the session.
Yes, yeah, started. Yes, thank you very much for
Yeah,
reminder. I just, yeah, I
continue.
know. Very important one. Yes. Okay. Yes, I think we missed out a little bit, but I think I will, because what happened is if somebody joins all the time, something disturbance comes, I put on unmute. But thank you very much for reminder. I just did that one. Okay. Started recording. Introduction, agenda. Okay. I was born on the day of Deepavali and my parents, okay, named me Deepak. And just now we have seen wonderful lamp was lightened by Vaishaliji. Okay, Festival of Lights. 60 साल पहले, okay. And I had my elementary education in my mother tongue, Marathi. Okay, Marathi till till I completed my schools. Okay, this is one of my schools, wonderful school. I used to like cricket and hockey. I know many of you may be liking it, like music. I was okay. I'm weak in languages and history. भूल जाता हूँ मैं. Okay. थोड़ा science, maths में मजा आता है. Geography also. Okay. And managed to complete my electrical engineering degree from Government College of Engineering, Maharashtra. Okay. Another wonderful campus here. Okay. Learn about electrical engineering. Also used to play cricket. So you can say what's in the name. Okay, Deepak. My parents gave me name the Deepak lamp. And just now you have seen, okay, virtual lamp. You guys just now virtually uh, Vaishali has lighted the lamp, which is based on electricity and now online and video. And from there, I went to Banaras in the university to do my MTech in electrical machines, work with National Power Engineers Training Institute in Nagpur. This is where the electricity is controlled and done. Then did my master's in power systems engineering and also PhD in power systems engineering. So who says what's in the name? Okay, Deepak, lamp, electricity, light. So I'm doing most of the things that way. Okay, and teaching also electrical power systems. सो अभी जस्ट रिसेंट कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कंपक की कोरोना न होता तो कैसा होता आज मैं भारतीय विद्यापीठ नई मुंबई के प्रेक्षागृह में होता मगर ये हो न सका ओके but it did not happen. It did not happen. So let me bring you all of you virtually, okay, virtually to a wonderful place. Okay, all of you have got this registered means you got the e-tickets, you are board the flight, you are boarded the flight, you have nice, wonderful pilot is taking you around the places, okay, and you are coming, okay, to a smart city virtually within a fraction of a second because in the mind you landed at the wonderful airport was called smart and eco-friendly airport. Green technology. Green technology. Some of you say why I'm mentioning about it. Yes, it is a green technology. Okay. This airport is having green transportation inside. The robo will be there to transfer your luggage, hand luggage. You can do automated, no need for printing. A lot of okay, lot of forms automated and you collect your luggage here and arrive here. My team will be here to bring you to the wonderful land where, okay, it is small city state, it's a smart city, depends on imported fossil fuels, lack of natural resources. So what they say, whatever the resource they have got is human resource. Be the people. Okay, be the people. That is very important. So if you wish to put in chat box, you can put what is your feeling about the term smart, clean, and green energy. Okay. If you wish, you can put in chat box. I temporarily I have unmute part. I have blocked it. We will open it later on again. Okay. So if you wish, put in chat box what is your feeling about the term smart, clean and green energy. Welcome. Okay, your participation is important. Please put. Are you ready for the surprise? You already now in a smart city, okay, virtually. Are you ready for surprise? Are you ready to take up challenge? That is most important one. We are facing challenges after challenges last 1.5 years, so almost 2 years, okay. So now imagine that you are okay, that you have been given an opportunity to become a member of Special Task Force, STF, Special Task Force. Okay. On what? Okay. On smart, clean, and green energy developments. Okay. Imagine that now for this session, you have been given a chance to become a member of Special Task Force. Okay. So 85 plus. For what is it opportunity? Okay, first phase you have got opportunity to focus on specific smart, clean, green energy related projects. So okay, throughout my presentation now you look out for, okay, look out for what are the various, okay, yes, sustainable approach. Wonderful. I think you're thank you very much. Anjali ji, 3 hours. Okay, wonderful. Indu ji, thanks very much. Available. Thank you for your participation in chat box. That is fantastic. Thank you very much. Sustainable approach. Everybody, okay, you can put. Thank you very much. So all of you are going to now think about what could be the projects, because you are in academic or industry, doesn't matter, but they how they can be in smart, clean and green energy related projects, okay, for this session. And after thinking about various projects, what are you going to do? Okay, one of the assignments you have, okay, for this FDP from my side, prepare research proposal. It not be very big one, just simple research proposal of 1 page, 2 page, if you feel, depending on that, or a technical case study based on whatever I am presenting and based on your experience. Or write a simple article, 1 page, 1.5 page, okay, roughly 1.5 page article on this one. Whatever, this is what. If you do this one, you are in the road of smart, clean, and green energy future, sustainable future. So I appeal to each and everyone, please consider after my presentation is done, think about writing research proposal, technical case study or article. I will send Google form and you can then just upload that. So is there a scope for hope or am I in a pipe dream? Is there a scope for hope? मेरे प्यारे प्यारे प्राध्यापकों, मेरे प्यारे प्यारे संशोधकों, मेरे प्यारे प्यारे परीक्षार्थियों, can I expect simple thing like this one, what I just mentioned? Research proposal, or you write a research proposal, just 1 page, or a technical case study, 1 or 2 pages you can include, or a research article, a simple article. I'm not asking you writing a research article. It's not possible in short period based on whatever I present. Okay, whatever I present. Okay, so if there is scope for hope, you can put in chat box hope or no hope. How many of you feel that you have been dwelling on interesting, innovative ideas? Okay, but just now. Okay, but what happens? Because as you keep on developing interesting, creative, innovative, enterprising idea, question arises, how are you going to protect? And I'm sure most of the institutes are now having FDPs on IPR. Okay, IPR. All of you know it. Okay. So copyright or copyleft. So when you want to do whatever research writing, I think we have to respect copyrights of everybody. ये आप लोग करते हुए नहीं का, isn't it our duty? कि आपका फर्ज नहीं है. So we have to protect copyright. Okay. Usually I do not allow, but for this session, because Professor Vaishali has requested, so I'm going to give permission to uh, record it. Congratulations. So what are the challenges now? Obviously, you have heard about this. What are the challenges? Okay, challenges. You must have heard. Okay, वैज्ञानिकों का कहना है. Doctors, scientists are saying जिनके फेफड़े कमजोर है, whose lungs are weak, okay, whose lungs are weak, okay, जिनके फेफड़े कमजोर है, जिनके खून में चीनी बहुत ज्यादा है, जिनके खून में चीनी बहुत ज्यादा है और जिनका दिल कामचोर है. You know it, okay? Many times what happens, online sessions, people just log in and they go somewhere else. That is not the way we want to move India, whose heart doesn't want to work. उनके लिए ये बहुत ही खतरनाक है. For them, it is very dangerous, very dangerous. कौन है ये? कौन है ये? Who is it? कौन है? कौन है? कौन है ये? Okay? आपके आजू बाजू है क्या ये? All of us know, yes. This has made our life upside down. If you are seeing this slide upside down, it is deliberate one, okay? Because it has made entire world's life upside down. And therefore, we have to do about it. First is जिनके फेफड़े कमजोर है, whose lungs are weak, okay, weak lung. Healthy lung, weak lung. Okay, why it has happened? Okay, क्यों हुआ ये? Now, according to Verisic Mapplecroft, a research firm, out of 100 most vulnerable cities, 99 are in Asia. 99 are in Asia. Wherein of which 37 are in China, 43 are in India. So India here beats China. See, India has 43 cities or towns which are most vulnerable. Why it has happened? Because we need the clean air. If the air is not clean because of whatever we are doing, most of the time you look at it, if our air quality is an unhealthy, very unhealthy or hazardous region, then our lungs will look like this one. A healthy one, it will look like nice one. So this is the fact. Okay, this is what is it happening. Clean air, we want it. Okay, all of you know it. The mask. Okay, there are different types of masks are there. They say now these ordinary masks may not work. We need a better quality mask, to take this one. This is the one part. I think we have to get used to this one. We like it or not. Mask we have to wear to take care of. Okay, first. Second, we have to ensure that the air we inhale is pure or have a sufficient oxygen. We can do it naturally. We can do it by natural means, or we can use technology, green technology, to make it clean. Okay. Even smart farming, they're talking about green technologies. It's possible to do that. Okay. Or we use devices. If you can't make it naturally, if you're going to cut trees just because we want to have metros, okay, then we may have to use devices, spend on devices which will in your classroom, in your office, in your home, in your room, in your bedroom, then you can make the air pure, okay, appropriately filtered one. Okay, and all of you know now we have to keep pulse oximeter ready in homes. The great disaster about oxygen cylinder, you know it, all technology. And now there are new products are coming. Okay, they're coming new products so that you can carry your oxygen. So this is the first thing we have to think about. Now some of the things you might think, okay, maybe we can have oxygen parks, oxygen office, okay, oxygen somewhere you come to get your oxygen. Now everybody is saying that this pandemic has affected so much, we are not able to go anywhere. We want to go back to the normal. Question arises, which normal we want to go back? The same old normal. This normal you want to go back. This normal you want to go back. This normal you want to go back. Which normal you want to go back? Now it is very clear. I think all of us were knowing that we had to carry water bottles. That has been the case now. 30 years back, it was not there. We may have to keep our oxygen meters at home. This is there. Maybe now we had to carry small oxygen bottles, clean self governance. And obviously, we carry our own food now. We can't rely on someone else. Carry our healthy, nutritious food. And most importantly, get vaccination. Okay. If medically possible, get it done. Now, this is the new normal. We have to do it. New business can come in, which has provided by Coronomics. Now, this is not the first time it was happening. Okay, earlier also. Okay, earlier also we were chasing a luxurious modern lifestyle. Everybody wants it. मुझे बंगला चाहिए, गाड़ी चाहिए, सब कुछ चाहिए मुझे. And then business people, they want to have their own private helicopters, private jets. सबका बैंड बज चुका है. Geopolitical conflicts, we know crisis going on, Afghanistan, Middle East going on. Population, we have crossed, I think I'm told, almost 7.5 billion now. And we are addicted to the oil. The rising population addicted to oil. So is there a scope for hope if this is the situation? Yes, Vaishali ji, I will just open up. Okay, you have got question. Yeah, you can unmute and ask question. Vaishali ji, go ahead. You raise the question. Raise hand. Vaishali ji, please. You want to say something? Or it was by mistake? Okay. There is no response, so we'll continue. Can you hear me? Okay, I should ask that. Okay. Can you hear me? Okay, I have put in chat box. Okay, sustainable approach, wonderful. Sustainable approach. Yes, you can hear me. Okay, but wonderful. Okay, good. All of you can hear me. That's good. Okay, sometimes what happens by mistake, you may have raised hand or something, so I might be thinking, okay, okay, please unmute me. Okay, Vaishali, you're unmuted. Okay, I will try one more time. Okay, Vaishali ji, you are unmuted. Okay, I will try to. Okay, Vaishali ji is asking. Okay, you have raised point more. Lower hand more. Replace 5. Put in waiting. Okay. You can unmute Professor Vaishali ji.
Sir, few participants are waiting to join this session.
Waiting?
I think they are not. Yeah, they are not getting permission to join this session.
Okay, let me check. Participants, because I have not created waiting room. So have they registered and then they have to click on the registration link they got? There is no waiting room
Okay.
here.
Okay.
There is no waiting room. Yeah. Once, because they are just waiting for clicking the, if they click on the link, they have to register. Once they register, they get the link. Then they click on it, they join. There is no waiting room.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Please continue.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. I think those who are participating, thank you very much, Bobika. Thank you, Dr. Vaishali, for this unmute. Gita, thank you very much. Thank you, Bhavna, I think, for your participation. Sustainable approaches. Priyanka, yes. Yogesh says sustainable approaches. Wonderful. Go. Keep on contributing your views. Why it was happening? I think we had to also understand that it is not the first time we are facing this kind of challenge. It is because of the dominance of fossil fuels we are using. Okay. We are using oil, transportation industry heavily. Now also, they're talking about renewable, but long way. Coal. 70% of electricity generated by India, China, and some other countries is by coal-fired power station. Some natural gas is coming there, but predominantly coal-fired. Renewables are coming, but at a slower pace. Okay, they are coming. So if we continue what they say, business as usual, we'll be still consuming 80% of fossil fuels by 2035. These are the projection by BP. And it has been well known that fossil fuels produce a lot of greenhouse gases. And that is why it has been happening. And as I mentioned in my opening address, kahi boond boond ko tarse, kahi fat 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 ye barse. Okay, we know droughts. Okay, very well. Now also California is burning. Spain is burning. Okay, Turkey is burning. Greece is burning. But at the same time, is a fatapat somewhere it is okay. You look at it, whether it's Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sangli, or Germany, or some places, it is heavy raining. कुदरत का खेल है निराला, लालच के नशे में डूबा, कैसे इसे समझे? So do we wish to have such future? That is a question we have to ask, which I mentioned in my opening address. So necessity is mother of, all of you know. Okay, necessity is mother of what? You can put in chat box. Okay. So what is your feeling about the term sustainable development? So they say, okay, now we want to use the term sustainable development. Sustainable development. We want it. What is it? So according to United Nations Sustainable Development, okay, Authority, this is defined as a development that can meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations. Whatever we are consuming, uh, that should be such that we are able to replenish it. That is what they're expecting. That is what Paris Accord they're talking about. Paris Accord. And to more, so obviously to meet their own needs, our needs are needs definitely needed. Okay, we need it to sustain ourselves, to sustain our economy, sustain our development. This is what sustainable development. This is a definition given by United Nations. Okay, United Nations sustainable development. Okay, sustainable development without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. And the United Nations have got 17 goals. And today, when I'm going to discuss, I'm going to first tackle goal number 7, affordable clean energy. We might little bit work on sustainable smart cities, and most importantly is a quality education. Okay, and other things will come. So these are the 3 goals I'm going to focus in my presentation today, and then later on when I come on the last day, I will cover some other goals. So again, is there a scope for hope, or am I talking pipe dream? Again, you can keep on adding, putting your comments in chat box. Okay, we'll open up later on. So what type of development we should aspire to? That is a question. Yes, विकास चाहिए हमको, विकास तो चाहिए, विकास 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 चाहिए. सवाल ये है कि कैसा विकास? What type of development we should aspire to? Okay. Sustainable, झक्कास विकास, sustainable and झक्कास विकास we should aspire to, or destructive भक्कास विकास. Okay, A झक्कास, B bhakas. Okay, you can put it, or okay, so put in chat box, do you want bhakas? Because what you are saying, we have been used to see it and we think, oh, that is the normal. That is not the normal. Now you know it. That is not the normal. So how we achieve that one? So 2 words if we can add to the same definition given by United Nations. Okay, meet the needs of the present, not greed. अगर अगर आप सब कुछ धंधे वाले के साथ दोगे तो they want to make profit. They won't care about environment. They want to make profit. So, okay, don't allow sustainable development to be a dhanda, not business. Okay, needs, yes, needs of the present. Change that word from needs, not greed. We add 2 words. Okay, and meet own needs. Our needs definitely, not greed. So if you add these 2 words to the same definition, then this becomes Jhakkas definition. Jhakkas vikas. ऐसा वैसा नहीं, विकास विकास, you should demand. जो भी कोई विकास विकास करता है उसको बोलो हमको झकास विकास चाहिए, ऐसा वैसा नहीं चाहिए. And as I mentioned, you all of us need electricity today. Also, now if you want to now connectivity, we need electricity. And electricity is, as I mentioned to you, also that it is predominantly done using fossilized fuel power plant. You have got transmission network, you have got high voltage transmission line, power stations, substations, transformer lines, and then it reaches to us. It creates huge pollution. Now, all of us know that, okay, one part is either electricity authority say, okay, we want to now transform everything into clean and green energy, 100% at present, because very high level is fossil fuels. Suppose Bharati Vidyapit is getting electricity predominantly from the electricity board, BEST or other. So they say, okay, I'm getting from electricity from the electricity board, doesn't matter which is coming from coal-fired power station. Now, if you want to change that to 100% to clean and green, investment will be very high. High investment will be required. 100 units you are consuming, 100 could be kilowatt, 100 could be okay. More kilowatt you are consuming. Now, if you want to change this to 100 kilowatt clean and green new plant, you have to invest more. However, according to the World Energy Council, where I had a privilege of being serving for 2 terms as vice president, they announced statement almost in 2000 plus, okay, to achieve energy efficiency in entire supply chain, generation, transmission, distribution, and utilization. That is what World Energy Council says, has said this statement. Now everybody is adopting it. So what is that? So when you want to start with 100% units, you there, suppose you are consuming 100 kilowatt in your campus, and you say, okay, first thing what you should do, and many of us are doing it. First thing they say is our behavioral change. Okay, switch off lights, fans, devices when not in use. When you are using it, we have to use it. No choice. No compromise on safety also. Okay, just because we want to save energy, we cannot put street lights off straight away. No, switch off. Okay, when not in use. And this can be by personal behavior. So they say up to 15% we can do it. So what happens is we are consuming 100 kilowatt. Now you'll be consuming 85 kilowatt. So 15 kilowatt you saved. Okay. And you look at it in your campus. We just talk about the campus. Most of us are from academic institutions. Some are from industry, but academic campuses, they have become huge. Okay, they need it because now campus, auditorium, which are empty now. Okay, laboratories, which are empty, use consumption one. We use lots of pumps and motors. Okay, air conditioners, fans, you name it, and gas, transportation, predominantly petrol and diesel. Doesn't matter, prices are going up. So whether it is scooty, motorbike, or Ola. So we are consuming a lot of energy in various forms, electricity as well as other forms. So energy you have to think as a total. So first thing first, so wherever we don't want it, we minimize it. So just don't go everywhere just because you have got vehicle. Minimize it. They say minimize. Then what they have found that there is one of the very powerful device which is called electric motor, 3-phase induction motor, single-phase induction motor. Okay, which is widely used. Okay, I can tell you crores and crores, billions and billions devices used everywhere. You find electric motor is there. Whether it's whatever devices you mentioned, it is there. Now, if you use the standard machine, the efficiency is still good, close to depending on whatever the value. So you're talking about 100 here, so your efficiency is almost 92%. But if you use energy efficient, then your efficiency becomes almost 95%. 5% rise in efficiency. Obviously, you have to pay more, but then we are using, okay, here you are using billions of them. Karodo में use कर रहे हैं, karodo. Everywhere is there. So we will be saving billions of watts. Billions of watts, okay, watts. Billions of watts. Same way, I think you must be seeing now robots are also coming everywhere. And manufacturing, they are talking about demand side management. Manufacturing will be smart manufacturing. So simple thing, energy efficient electric motor, pumps and light. If we can do that, we can get tremendous saving. That is called energy efficiency. Okay, this efficiency is fast, and I'm not saying this one. Okay, Martin Weird of president of ABB Motion, he says that energy efficiency is the world's invisible climate solution. Invisible energy efficiency. Electric motors consume 45% of electricity globally. It means even if we can reduce by 1%, that is tremendous saving globally. Okay. And also online also, you know it, but we need to do it. We need to do it. So therefore, we have to carry on. So we first use say energy conservation. Now we added this up to almost 20-25% we can save by energy efficiency. If we use these two measures, our consumption was 100 first, became 85 here, now becomes straightway only 60. Now our consumption is 60. So Bharati Vidyapit is paying for only 60 kilowatt. 40 kilowatt saving. Okay, 60 means 40 kilowatt of saving. 40 kilowatt saving straight away. All of you can do it. At home also you can do it. Same thing. It will be only 4 kilowatt. That is also is good. Now that is about energy efficient impact of energy efficiency and energy conservation. So what is your feeling about the renewable energy? Okay, renewable energy. And this has been said by none other than our former president, Dr. APJ Kalam. Okay, he has called for energy independence by 2030. Still possible. We have to enhance our renewable energy, they say. And I had a privilege of with interacting with him for a very few seconds only, few seconds at the two conferences, Renewable Energy Conference and Vishwa in Mumbai, Vishwa 2009 in Mumbai. He was okay, obviously he was chief guest there. So everybody is talking about solar. They call solar what they photovoltaic. Okay, photovoltaic. Everybody is talking about it, but now there is a major problem about there is a microchip. Microchip is one of the major problem now, which is only okay. Earlier used to be coming from certain limited countries, but now we know it. There is a problem. So if it's imported sales, then you are shipping your jobs out. So one, you start manufacturing it, but still solar has got maintenance problem, low efficiency, whatever they say, okay, 15-16% is very low. Low reliability, only available maybe 4 to 6 hours, maximum 4 hours to 5 hours, 6 hours, okay. You need storage if you want to use it properly. So there is a tremendous scope for your research and development. So in this case, if you want to use photovoltaic, there is scope for writing your research proposal, your project proposal, your case study, your research article also, simple article. These are the major problems. Still, they are working on it. Yes, cost is going down, but it will go up again because microchips are going to be expensive. Next, they say wind energy. All of you have heard about wind energy. Hawa hai kya? Okay. And obviously, their efficiency is a little better than solar and is being used that can reduce, but there are some other problems. Everywhere there is no wind. Okay. Only you can go to the places where there is a wind. That is why only selected places you can use it, not everywhere. But still it can reduce it. So as a result, they say now there is a scope and predominant investment is coming in solar and wind. So we can say around remaining 60 kilowatt from 60 kilowatt, we say 30 kilowatt we get renewable. You invest in renewable. I do not know in Bharti does it have a good wind there or not, or good solar radiation? They have to find it out. That is where research will come in. Then you can put wind and solar there and reduce your consumption. So then whichever with in campus is paying only for roughly 25 to 30 kilowatt you are paying. So by taking these systematic measures, okay, from 100 you can reduce your consumption and then start renewable. Now you are going to invest only for 30 kilowatt compared to earlier everybody talking about 100, or even if you do 50 kilowatt is more expensive than 30 kilowatt. So this is the power of appropriate planning on energy conservation, energy efficiency, and renewable energy utilization. This you can do. Okay, same thing you can do for home also. What I'm talking to about institution or industry, you can do it for home also. Only your units will be same 100. It will go down. Then you can think about whether you want to put solar rooftop or something is available. Do it. क्योंकि अब की बरस जब बरसता है पानी तालाब बन जाती है राजधानी. Nowadays, when it rains, capital becomes a lake. You have seen it, yes. Around July 2019, I was in Mumbai, and this is the scene at that time. Okay, that was the scene. So suddenly, then I said, okay, ab ki baras jab barasta hai pani, talab ban jati hai rastani. So came to mind, I wrote down 2 lines only. So do we wish to have this kind of future? Question is that every year that is happening. And after that, we say, okay, forget few weeks, we tolerate it. And then, chalta hai. Is it sustainable? Because now frequency of rains and frequency of drought is going to be higher. So how we can capture that? Because sea level is going to rise, you like it or not. So how we can capture that? Those who are in the coastal area, those who want to do research in this one, I understand IIT Power is doing some research on this. So capture the power of rising sea level. For that purpose, obviously, you have to design different types of devices, experiment it, try it out, because this is still a developing one. So your research project, those who are interested to harness the energy of water, hydro energy, obviously big dams, you know it is not the solution. Tremendous effect on the ecology, damage to the, okay, tremendous space, many places. We know just now what happened in China, one of the dam busted and it's wiped out several villages and water entered into the cities. Sangli has the same thing, you know it. So that having, and we know just few years back in Kerala, how you know what has happened to those dams? Because if more rain is going to come, you are going to face challenges. So how to harness that? That is one of the ways. So choice is very simple, my friends. On left side, you want to still get a cheaper electricity from coal and gas, whatever. Get it? Bhakkas way. Or use new and renewable energies which can give us better output, reduce pollution. Chakas. Choice is very simple. Whether it's solar thermal, okay, standalone, grid connected, wind, micro hydro, okay, pico hydros, whatever you're looking for, okay. Radiation is there, you can have solar. Okay, so this choice is there only, okay. Okay. Bhakas or Jhakas. You decide. Because it is possible now. And that is where more research is needed. We can provide that in the engineering colleges, we can provide that. Technology colleges, we can provide that. Business colleges, we can do that. So just now I shared with you, if you just harness whatever available, then your requirement is very low. you're only required to invest in roughly maybe 25 to 30 kilowatt, which is much, much lower than you would have to completely replace it. Not possible. There is still this part is there. Okay, still you are consuming something. What can be done? So dil mange more, correct? Dil mange more. So now we have seen जिस जिनके फेफड़े कमजोर है, we have to take care of that. And what one of them? We address clean energy by using clean technology, green technology. Now जिनके खून में चीनी बहुत ज्यादा है. What happens to that? Okay, what is it? What we can do about it? And all of us know ganna, ganna, chaukanna. Ganna or karo chaukanna. Ganna gives you sugar. And all of us know, okay, I think in India we are very about kuch beta ho jaye. Hai. Let's have some sweet. कुछ तो भी हो गया, जीत हो गए, पास हो गई, ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन में पास हो गए, घर बैठकर पास हो गए, मीठा हो जाए, पेड़े वाट कोरोना बैच. ओके, नो एग्जामिनेशन, 95% मीठा हो जाए. Not only that, now we get celebrations from these Bollywood. कहते हाँ, कुछ हो कहते कहते बहुत कुछ हो जाता है. हाँ, lots and lots of sweet. Yeah, I also like sweet. और मेरी बीवी मुझे डांटती रहती है. I can understand that. But is it a clean and green? So I had to listen to something. Okay, listening to. And look at this one, the one you talk about, your idols. Okay, they are the most destructive people for the clean and green. Do you want this? Isn't it shameful? So प्यारे प्यारे संशोधकों, प्यारे प्यारे प्राध्यापकों, प्यारे प्यारे परीक्षार्थियों, बदलो, क्योंकि बदल अटल है. बदल अटल है. नहीं करोगे तो गयो, गयो समझो. क्योंकि ये भी तो है, क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डायबिटिक सुनामी इज कमिंग एंड दे से ओके, जिसकी चीनी ओके, जिसके खून में चीनी ज्यादा है, कोरोना को भी वो पसंद है. तो आपको कोरोना से प्यार है तो कहो ना, प्यार है, कोरोना से प्यार है तो बहुत खाइए और डायबिटिक पेशेंट बनिए, मधुमेह वाले पेशेंट बनिए. Because India has, according to the World Health Organization, India has become diabetic capital of the world. तो आपके पास सिंपल चॉइस है. ओके, शुगर केन, फ्रॉम शुगर, गन्ने से शुगर, और तेल, चीनी या तेल, आपको तय करना है, चीनी या तेल. सिंपल. हाउ, व्हाट यू वांट टू डू? Otherwise, because the farmers are protesting, they are saying they are not getting appropriate MSP. Obviously, MSP they won't get it because sugar prices in the world market are going down. So then you have to give them support, you have to give subsidy, and then there will be more and more. So instead of that, if you can show them some different, some new ways. For this purpose, obviously, we have to now convert sugar mills into ethanol mills. Some work is going on. Okay, I mentioned this one in around, I think, 5 years back, and in one of the conferences, and I understand now there are some movements, some sugar mills are getting converted to ethanol mill. Obviously, they will need more help from technologies. Colleges can come up with a better design. So choice is very simple. Okay, sugar cane, sugar and diabetics, sugar cane to biogas, ethanol, biodiesel, ethanol, and that can be used in hybrid vehicles. Okay, I will discuss about it more in my next session. Okay, towards synergizing towards clean energy and green transportation. So that is how we will green technology, hybrid vehicles. I know everybody wants to go straight away go to electric vehicle. I will talk about it in my next session. So can we improve the situation? What can we do for that? This is the situation now. Okay, as I mentioned to you, that is where we form the edu energy. We say we want to now use this information, educate. Most of the time information is not properly given. People have only WhatsApp University or Facebook University, okay, and then they got fake information. So as a result, we have to create that awareness. And congratulations to Bharati Vidyapit. This is one of the ways we can promote and give proper information. You're getting from the experts with research. I'm showing you with research, not anything, okay, just for the sake of saying. Because at AG Energy, we want to help in sustainable development, smart, clean, and green future. Yes, this FDP, we are very happy to do it. We have been doing it with the help of various organizations, World Energy Council, International Energy Foundation, IEEE, okay, Education, IUCC Foundation. We have been doing it. And not only that, through this, we are also transforming education system. So now we have seen we can address this one. We have seen we can address this one. Now left with वैद्य वैज्ञानिक का कहना है जिनका दिल काम चोर है. Few minutes are left. We will do that. Not to worry. So doctors and scientists are saying whose lungs are weak, blood sugar level is very high, whose heart doesn't want to work. काम चोर है. So I'm asking the question, what is it that is abundant in the world? What is it that is abundant in the world? If you want to put in chat box, what is it that is abundant? बहुत सारा है, बहुत कुछ है. Waste energy, okay? बहुत सारी है. So again, I have shown these pictures to earlier you. Do you want whatever choice now? Very simple choice. Do you want to use, okay, whatever the waste available here and burn it? Burn the waste, kachra, jalao, even in farms or whatever you feel. In cities, it happened and they dump somewhere and then aag laga. Or you want to use that and convert into bio waste. One obviously to be converted into digester and biogas. Finally, biogas here. Then which can be used for combined heat and power. We can generate electricity if you want, or wherever the heating applications are needed, we can use that. So digester 1, digester 2, so chemical engineering will be required here. So as I mentioned to you, this is a multidisciplinary program. And this process it can come back and you can reuse it. Or you can take it and make it what they call district heating. The cool places, they can have a district heating. The hot places they can use for district cooling differently. And whatever excess you prepare, you can feed to the grid. Okay. So this way, the efficiency of the power plants increases. So question is very simple. And whatever the byproducts, you can get biofertilizers. Okay. The question arises whether you want to burn waste or bio waste to energy. Okay. Okay. Bhakas bha or jhakas so. Which one you want it? B or JH? Choice is very simple. You decide. And moment more and more energy resources are coming, then we need to use what they call a smart grid. What is that? Smart grid is use of smart technologies. Using info communication, smart meters, even now intelligent sensors, infocom technology, and whatever you're talking about, analytics, big data, AI can be used here. Wherein wherever the resources are available about whether it's renewable energy, wind energy, hydraulic energy, thermal energy, nuclear energy, whatever we can combine and manage it properly and send it where it is required in factories and homes and offices and cities. And they are even talking about the vehicles. Okay, we'll discuss more on 26 or 27. Okay, about the green and sustainable transportation. So question arises, do we want future cities like this or with pollution? Because that pollution will come back. Okay, it has been happening. You have heard about it. Okay, farmers are burning in Punjab and Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, and the Delhi is getting choked. The same thing must be happening in other places. But most important part is the big grids require a lot of investment. But microgrid you can do in each college. I'm told there we have got more than 4,000 engineering colleges, more than 4,000 engineering colleges. So they can, all of them can go for what is known as a microgrid, AC/DC microgrid, for two purposes. One, to provide the stable, sustainable electricity to the campus, and two, to allow students to learn, faculty to learn. Because here you look at it, what is it? Microgrid, and this is a standard given by IEEE. Okay, what it does? Okay, you have got AC grid, you have got DC grid. All devices which work on DC can be connected to DC grid. Those devices which work on AC or AC. And typically, okay, photovoltaic by itself is PV is a DC. EV is a DC. Batteries are there. Flywheel can also give DC. So computers require our battery computers, smartphones, everybody, notebooks, they require DC. DC. Whereas electricity generated by wind is AC, which can be converted into DC. So you can have a coupler here, that is power electronics. Even compressed here as a storage, batteries are there, PV is there. So this requires what is known as a combined efforts of almost all faculties. Civil is needed here, mechanical needed, electrical needed, chemical needed, infocom technology, computers, software, all needed. Those who are in renewable energy resources needed. Controls, everything needed. So it is a multidisciplinary. The moment you work on this simple project, one micro hybrid AC/DC microgrid instrumentation. This is a multidisciplinary project as required by National Education Policy. AICTE wants you. Only blunder they are making is they say we want to offer now BTech in AI, BI. That is blunder they are making it. Instead of using this and showing them application. Otherwise, those AI guys will be looking for where is the application, where I can use it. Yes, this is where you can use it. Big data, because so many grids, 4,000 microgrids, colleges, big data, IIoT. You need it here to be interconnected with one. Data analytics, you need it. Clouds, yes, you need it. 5G coming, you need it. And as I mentioned to AI, machine learning, artificial neural network, okay, deep learning. So this is the one project which is a multidisciplinary, can go across any of the departments. I'm not saying all students go over here, but at least 15 to 20% of each department put their students to do one component of this. Each component is a one project for you. There will be thousands of projects and you will be solving the problem of electricity. Yes, we have been conducting several workshops for faculty members, hands-on workshop also. Virtually we are doing since Corona has come. Doing faculty development program like this one. And independently, if you are interested, please write to us. We will be very happy to work with you. So now you can add more renewables. See, I was saying you can add more renewables now here. From here, we increase to more so that your dependence on grid will be reduced. As a result, there will be less electricity to be produced from the fossil fuel fired power stations. Level reduction in greenhouse gases. Is there scope for hope? Or am I talking pipe dream sleep? Okay. Put in chat box. I give you 20 seconds. Put in chat box. Is your scope for hope? Chakkas. Very good to know. Chakkas. Okay. Yes, plastics will be taken. We'll take care of plastic. Not to worry about it. Nitin. Okay. Thank you. Hey, Nitu says yes. Sustainable. Okay. Go ahead. Okay. Scope for hope. So you write. Okay. You can write hope or pipe dream. Scope for hope. Scope for hope. Good to know. I think more and more are now saying scope for hope. Good. Go ahead. Go ahead. Whatever you feel like. This is after now I'm been speaking to you for almost an hour now. Scope for hopes. Hope for sustainability. Yes. Hope for sustainability. Yes. Bunch Banshidhari Samanta. Okay. Hope. It's good to know. Hope. 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 Thank you for your participation, friends. Okay. Thank you. So now we'll move to the next one. Thank you for your participation. Yes, as I mentioned to you, yes, Singapore doesn't have natural resources, no renewable, but is highly developed country. Population density is high, industrialized economy, but dependent on fossil. But what they say, human resource. Okay, so they have come up with a plan now for next by 2030. 2030, what they want. Okay, obviously, no natural resources. They are using natural gas. Natural gas is less polluting compared to coal-fired, oil-fired. Okay, so 95% of electricity is generated by natural gas. There are more and more funding coming for solar. So they want to have by 2030 at least probably most of the rooftops will have solar. Working on the regional power grid. So wherever suppose there is renewable energy not available in Singapore, wind energy available in Indonesia through power grid, we can get it. And most importantly, they are working heavily on energy efficiency everywhere. So reduce the carbon footprint. And those who are in mechanical and civil engineering and also electrical engineering, they are looking at also at the carbon capture and storage, CCS. And I will speak about the hydrogen on 27. Another way hydrogen can be also work is going on hydrogen also. But what they are looking for the green hydrogen. At present is a brown hydrogen, blue hydrogen, gray hydrogen, but now looking for the green hydrogen. So if you want to do your research, green hydrogen is a good one to go. Okay, green hydrogen, H2. CCS, yes, CCS, another CCS is another one. Carbon capture and storage, another one. So this is what is happening, and obviously their goal is to reduce. So as a result, now this is how you can now keep on adding by newer and newer technology. That is what green technologies are. Green energy technology tech. Not only green, I'm saying clean and green because they don't pollute. We don't want them to pollute also. As you can see now, dependent on the fossil fuels will be very low. Majority is coming from your this. Provided you have done your homework. Okay, this one has to continue. Whenever some increase is there, apply that. Energy efficiency is a renewable energy. They say renewable energy. So as a result, obviously, though I'm putting 100 now, your new 100 is low because we are just getting so that can be completely replaced. You can have higher than that and start exporting. You can export and make money. New green jobs, which can be created by societies. They can club together, put rooftop and whatever excess, they can sell it to the grid. They can reduce their burden. Institute, factories, they can do that. Okay, so this is for everyone. Campus, I'm meeting campus. Obviously provided you have done all this. Now your load is very low. That you can do it. So you can make money. Green jobs, startups, innovations can come over here. Okay. And to do that, obviously we have to do in a smart way. If you want to achieve this one, now I have taken it. Okay, started with the fossilized world. Now we are moving to clean energy world. We are going to green economy. To do it smart way, what we need to have sustainable solution. A market driven. Yes, we have to create a market. If market is not there, okay, accountable. We must be accountable. Resourceful. Where to put our resources. Funding is not an issue most of the time. Where you allocate your funding is the issue. Resourcefulness. Whether okay, research funding must be given more to this kind of more research funding for this. And ready to transform, as mentioned today. We are ready to transform. That is what the future we're talking about: smart, clean, and green. See, I'm showing you smart, clean, and green. Not talking there. I have shown you this one: smart, clean, and green. And we will be there. Those who are interested to take up projects, that is why I'm looking for you, right? Prepare your project proposal or something, research article. I will be happy to come and interact with you, and we will use it to support you in one way or other. Technically, okay, intellectually, okay, not by money. Okay, money you can find. I have shown you how you can find money. You can find resources. I have shown you resourcefulness here. A resourcefulness. How you can find the money. Resources is there. We'll be very happy to work with you. We would be happy to put your institute name here to any of the programs. Okay, any of the programs, not only this. Okay, whether you want to strengthen the research, let us know. If you want to bring in project-based learning, which will bring more projects in clean and green, more projects in clean and green, guaranteed. You will have more projects than what you have. Work with us, more projects. We'll help you in even proper design thinking, not just American way. Okay, you can't apply at all. And integrated multidisciplinary holistic education, because smart, clean, and green is integrated multidisciplinary holistic education. This is how we can transform the education system. Okay. Yes, that is possible. So whether you want to write a research paper, we'll be with you. Whether you want to write a research report, will be there with you. If you want to write policy paper, we'll be with you. Whether you want to write a white papers, will be with you. You want to conduct SDP, so student development program, faculty development program, okay, research development program. You want to write a book, also will be with you. Book chapters will be with you. That is what we at Edu Energy, education of energy. That is the vision. We are talking about smart, clean, and green energy for sustainable future. Smart, clean, and green energy for sustainable future. The question arises now. I had shown you. Okay, this is not the first time. You must have heard about it. You must have listened about it. You must have read about it. You must have seen on some documentaries. It is not entirely new. Some of the things I may have put something new. But most important, this will be just Nari Punkulari Konare Ikrun Tipe Gelevare. Okay, if you come to like other FTPs, listen to these experts, Talia Bajao or Ghar Chale Jao. What is the action plan? If you don't take action, this is all of no use. Just another certificate. So what is it? What is the action plan? Action plan, okay, you want to take. Okay? Not someone else. Because you are talented. You have got background. You are research oriented. So what is your action plan? And I ask you this one, very simple one. In coming few days, if you are able to do this one also, that itself is going to be very powerful action plan. Because I have already invited you to be the member of special task force. For what purpose? To take up smart, clean, and green energy related projects. Before about an hour back, around 10:15, 10:30, you may be saying, oh, but what is it? I do not know. Now I have gone through systematically and the various aspects, and these are some of the things. More can be added. I'm not disputing that. But because of limited time, I cannot go to everything. And I'm sure some of your colleagues, some of our experts from other institution, renowned institution, will come and fill some other things. Take all of that, okay? But on this one, if you are able to write a research proposal, just one page, okay, what is it you want to do? One page, 1.5 page, or technical case study. Yeah, look this one, and you can apply your own something simple case study you can write, or a simple article, 1.5 page. What is it you learn? What is it you want to apply? What is it? This is just like a thinking process, quality thinking process. This is actually, if you take it, at least whatever I have said has not gone to the waste. Otherwise, ऐसा ही जाएगा. So I would like each one of you to become passionate about green technology, about sustainable engineering, about sustainable development. Remember, झक्कास विकास के लिए, भकास विकास के लिए मत करिए. Yes, there will be challenges, but now time has come for झक्कास विकास. विकास चाहिए हमको, लेकिन झक्कास. Because first thing I'm still focusing, we need to invest more in research and development. Research in terms of looking into new methodologies, looking into new materials, looking into new techniques, looking into new ways to devise new devices, whatever. We have to do that. We can't outsource this to someone else because costs will be very heavy. You have to pay heavy licensing fees if you take that research from Americans or Europeans, or if you get cheaper one from China, you'll get products which will only last for a few less years. So we can create sustainable solution, which are, so think global, act local. I know this is a time vocal to local, and then local to local. Because once you get some experience, expertise in that, you can create solutions which could be useful to the world where it is applicable. German technology will not work to you if you use just like that one, because German technology has been designed, made for the German situation. You have to adapt it, modify it. That is where substantial research is needed. Enhance productivity and competitiveness. I have shown you, okay, your consumption of electricity. I have shown you how from 100 kilowatt you can go right only up to 20 kilowatt. 80 kilowatt of saving. Today you are getting it. Same way, if you are using 100 units at home, follow same way, follow same method at home. At your home, we have been at home, stuck at home. हमको तो home arrest हो चुका है सबको. We have been staying, working from home, staying in the home most of the time. Now our consumption of electricity, energy has increased in homes. Follow systematically, simple one, okay? Remember, safety is important. That shouldn't be compromised. Okay? Reduce your energy consumption at home. Each one of you will be benefited. I can tell you, today you will save rupees into your pocket. They'll go into your pocket, which you don't, okay, then don't waste on something. You reinvest. I'm saying save and reinvest into green technology near your home, at your home, in your society, in your town, in your colony, in your village. You can do that. That not only you will learn about it, you will have some meaningful applications, because most of them are saying, oh, this is the time. I don't know what project to give to the students. Give this project to students. All branches can do it, including business, commerce, arts, economics. Okay, I can tell you, everybody can do it. Do it. Electrical, electronics, mechanical, civil, chemical, you name it. Even bio can do it. And my simple question to you, all of you, my friends, is Make in India Digital India, Smart City India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Feasible without quality, secure, reliable, availability of clean and green energy, renewable energy. Is it secure? Is it possible? Is it feasible? Atmanirbhar. This is what? This is what Atmanirbharta. This is what Atmanirbharta is. Atmanirbhar Bharat. Right from your home and institute, colleges and factories and offices. You can do it. Om Purnamidam Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadaschate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashistate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I pray to the God that may the peace be on each one of us. Times are very bad, but protect us. With this, after visiting wonderful place, okay, where the clean energy is widely used, using the green technology in the airport, I'm bringing you to the airport here. Is the departure hall. All of you are assembled here. Imagine. And now you don't have to go to the checking box straight away. You can check in. Fast check-in is there. Your luggage is also taken care of. You are waiting at the gate here automatically, just using your smartphones. You can just clock in here. Gates are open for you with that QR code or whatever number given to you. Yes, now also we still have to follow all the protocols. We must to protect ourselves, though we are getting vaccinated. Still, one by one, you board your flight, whichever flight you like it, whichever one. Take your seat, take your flight. Your pilot is from outside. You are seeing this wonderful, beautiful world and reach your destination and place by using less and less energy. And whatever you use is produced using smart, clean, and green technology. You are there. Thank you very much. I am indeed thankful to Bharati Vidyapit, Professor Vaishali, Professor Jadhav, Professor Kadam, all of you, your team, who have given me opportunity to share some of my views with you. Also, thank you to AICTE, Atal. This is what I call it, Urja Gyan Yajna, सुंदर स्वच्छ और हरी ऊर्जा चिरस्थायी भविष्य के लिए, स्मार्ट क्लीन एंड ग्रीन एनर्जी फॉर सस्टेनेबल फ्यूचर, क्योंकि बदल अटल है, अटल बदल है. Thank you very much, and I am open for some questions. If you want to ask me, we will have. I'm going to stop sharing, and you can now. I'll put everybody on a grid. You okay? Grid mode. I will open up, unmute. It has been unmuted. If you want to show your video, you can show video also. Thank you very much. Time for interaction. Can anybody unmute? Unmute now. Show your, okay, all of you can put your cameras on now. Okay, cameras on. Dil mange more. Okay, Yogesh ji, just trying. You are very happy. Almost more than 100 participants are here. Anybody? Yes, Professor Vaishali ji, are you there? Are you able to show your, yes, please try to show your videos. I have allowed that security. Okay, go ahead. Yes, go ahead, ma'am. You're still not able to unmute? I have unmuted. I have unmuted you. I have unmuted your video. Everything is there. One more time. I will try. Okay, I will see on participants. Yes, you can do. Okay, you can do yourself, ma'am. You can unmute yourself. Yes, you are
Yes,
unmuted.
sir.
You can show your video also if you wish.
Sir, it has been disabled by you,
No,
my
I have
video.
no, I have removed that one. But okay, I will try. Okay, otherwise, okay, try with first with let us try with audio. Why? Because I have given permission to everybody, okay, to okay, all of you should be able to. But go ahead, you can speak while speaking. You can try. Is it what is the? Are you getting any message that you are not able to do it?
No, sir. I request all the participants, if you have any queries, please come up.
Yeah, I have put one more time video. You can try your video. Yes, you
Now,
can do.
sir,
Yeah, everybody. Okay, one more time. I press. Cannot unmute Yogesh. Okay, I will try one more time. Yes, they can. Amit. Okay, Ajit Kumar ji, बोलिए. Okay, I will put one more time. Unmute.
Hello,
Unmute
sir.
one more time. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, this is Dr. Ajit Gudekar from DJ Sangvi.
Welcome.
Thank you for introducing to all the aspects of sustainable energy development. We have not left anything, right, from energy efficiency. And I hope we can do or start at college as well as at our homes for working on this energy efficiency part. Energy efficiency at college or higher level, that can be started with energy audit. So maybe we can take up this with our college management, and they will agree for that. And maybe we can try also for solar rooftop as you have suggested. Thank you
Yes,
very
miss.
much, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. The choice is entirely yours. Okay, you can decide. You can okay. So you have to make a case rather than waiting for management to give you permission. Go ahead. Okay. So now
Right. We have to
that
first do some rough calculations and then present. Maybe I will take your help as well in that, preparing
sure,
the
most welcome.
proposal or something. Then we can propose it to the management.
Sure.
Yeah,
That is why
thank
I'm
you, sir.
asking you prepare now. I'm requesting all of you to prepare a simple
Yes.
proposal, 1 page, 1.5 page. Simple is okay. Later on,
Yes,
we can
thank you,
go
sir.
for details. So those who are yes, someone says you can put in chat box. Suppose for whatever reason you are still not able to unmute, please uh, put in chat box because I have allowed both video as you can see, Professor Vaishali is there. So anyone else who has got question, comments? Yes, question is
dear
बोलिए Yogesh.
participants, your queries are welcome.
Yogesh जी बोलिए.
Kindly type in chat box.
Okay, Atman. Question is Atmanirbhar Bharat, ma'am. Yes, correct. Yes, बोलिए. Yogesh ji, what are you able to not? You're not able to unmute. Okay, go ahead. What is Atman? Okay, you want to say something? Please go ahead. Yogesh ji, Yogesh Parab. Okay, question is, I think he has sent personal question to me. Okay, Atmanirbhar Bharat. When will we will become Atmanirbhar Bharat? So Bharat क्या है? Are you Bharat or someone else is Bharat? If you are Bharat, then it will start with me. If I am Bharat, part of Bharat, I'm but a tiny part, capital tiny part. Sukshma who? Sukshma, very small part. So I have to start with me. So what I'm saying, if you want whole India to become Atmanirbhar, self-reliant, so each one of us have to play that role. And I have, okay, right from the small, let us take this part only, okay, small, start from your home. Reduce your energy consumption and save money. Reduce your greenhouse gases emissions, reduce your pollution, save environment. Actually, I do not know why you are not able to unmute because I have put, I think, Vaishali, you can unmute, correct? You can see it.
Yes,
You
sir.
can, yeah. So
Yeah.
and just now we are seeing Ajit Kumar could do it. So Yogesh is say he's not able to, but try one more time because I had to, I think, one more. Okay, I will try one more time. Allow participants to unmute. Yes. Okay, allow
Hello, sir.
participants start. Go ahead. Start video.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah. Just now, I think it got unmuted. So many times I tried.
I know. Okay, what happens is some buttons are like that. Sometimes I also
Yes,
get
yes.
myself unmuted myself. Okay, go ahead. Please go ahead.
So,
Yogesh.
Atmanirbhar Bharat, I wanted to ask regarding that. That is a good concept that, I mean, our Honorable Prime Minister, he has said after that Corona effect and whatever. But we have to start from ourselves, as you said. That's fine. But some of the things we require some political help in some of the cases. For example, we need some permissions to start with some, you can say, explore something. We need to have some permissions from the political background. So in that case, how will we start when we become Atmanirbhar Bharat?
So I think I try to answer this one. I think first thing I'm asking now, to reduce your consumption, do we need permission from Prime Minister? Energy consumption.
No,
Do you need?
no,
Okay.
sir.
To reduce your greenhouse gas emissions, reduce your carbon emissions, do you need pollution from your usage of devices, whether it is your motorcycle, whether it is a car? Do you need permission from Prime Minister Modi?
No, sir. That's not I'm
Okay, so
asking.
I'm saying
So
start
that
where there.
at,
That's okay.
at our level, I am managing that, but at higher level, how will manage?
I say the two aspects of our level. What there are two aspects. One is controllable. Okay, you are which engineering, sir? Professor Yogesh Pranabji. Which
I'm from chemistry, sir.
chemistry? Wonderful. Okay, chemical action. I will try to give you example, but I'm not expert in chemistry, chemical side. Okay, but chemical reaction. You know, chemical reaction. You want to start a chemical reaction. You need a catalyst. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So you become a catalyst. You can't get huge quantity of chemicals. Correct? Move around.
Yes.
You don't have that resources. So political
Yeah.
system is that, but can you become a catalyst? Catalyst in what? Whatever simple chain reaction you can start. Simple one, which I'm saying start at home. At home,
Okay.
I'm sure you have your home, your own home, maybe your own flat. You have one vehicle at least. Some of them have got two. Okay, you are using cooking gas, so you are using for energy for various things. I'm saying start with energy. You are generating a lot of waste. All of us are doing it, correct? Now, how
Yes.
you want to use on that? So I think on political system, only way you can do it is by when you go for voting. That is long time, 5 years. Okay, every 5 years you can change that. That is a political way. Political answer. It is not in our control. Okay, India has made a decision. Current government is there. It is going to continue till 2024. And they are going to introduce whatever the policies are needed, they feel appropriate as per their mandate. So that part is not in our hand, okay? As you and me, individually it is not. Individually, what we can do, you have a very strong thing in your hand. One, your own home. Two, you are teaching in which university, sir?
Sir, DJ Sanghvi College of Engineering. Mumbai,
Wonderful. So you
Telepathy.
have got a lot of influence. You have got students. You can take student project. Under you student project, when you are teaching, another influence you can do it. Okay, in teaching, you can just tell them what are the sustainable options. Like today, I showed what are the sustainable simple options in your subject. What are simple sustainable option you can bring in there, show to them, and say use that simple sustainable. Third, you can do your research. Research in chemistry also. There are tremendous scope to do research in chemistry also, because another part which I will discuss more maybe on 27 is a fuel cell is coming for chemical engineering. Okay, a chemical process I shown you about bio. Okay, bio waste to energy, chemical biogas. So plus whatever this article you can write other articles. As I said, the simple article which can create awareness. That is what is in our hand. Let us do each one of us that role. All of us are faculty. We do our role. It is very tough to try immediately for the so once we do our rule, through that we can bring the change. Changes there. I think so many of the researchers have been doing their research. That is why now we are talking about the climate crisis, climate change. If they had not been writing about it, they had not been doing the research, it would not have been there. Same way we should continue. So now your sphere of influence is your home, your students, your college, your institute, your surrounding, your society. Use that. You are very powerful there. Professor Gushji, you are very
Yes, sir.
powerful there.
Yes,
Use
sir.
there.
Definitely.
That is the part. Let the movement start. Okay. In Marathi we say it. I think probably I can later on translate in English also or in the thembe thembe tale sache. Yes, Vaishali ji, correct
Yes.
hai na? Vaishali ji,
Yes, sir. Definitely.
thembe thembe tale sache. Okay, drop by drop. So they say okay. So let us start our. So I'm doing my small part. Okay, to share with you.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Definitely. Thank you.
Simple. I'm not saying I'm doing very tiny sukshma. Okay, microscopic, very small part. I'm doing it, but I hope that with this one, if some ideas come to each one of you, there are hundreds of here. Each one of you get one idea, and you apply it. The multiplying effect is there. So my recommendation will be that, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Definitely.
So first
Yes. Yes.
Atmanirbhar, Swayam Atmanirbhar. Then Gharam Atmanirbhar. Okay. Kutumbam
Yes.
Atmanirbhar. Kutumbam Atmanirbhar. शैक्षणिक संस्थाएं आत्मनिर्भर हो. So धीरे धीरे गांव भी आत्मनिर्भर हो जाता है and it will move. The movement will start that way. So you have got very powerful influence, sir, as a professor. Use that.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good day, sir.
Wonderful. Good day. You too also. Wonderful day. Thank you for that wonderful question. Others also can ask question. If you have still got some problem unmuting something, let me know. Shouldn't happen, but anyone else, please raise your hand or straightway ask question. Unmute yourself. Now is the unmute yourself, ask the question. Or for some reason your connectivity issue, put in chat box. Still, yes, Professor Vaishali, you want to say something? I know a few minutes are still there.
Yes, sir. We have 20 minutes, no problem. Sir, one question by Professor Rupali from RIT. Like, is smart city same as the sustainable city, and are smart cities more sustainable?
Okay. Are smart cities sustainable cities? One first question, correct? Yes. And then what next
Yes,
question
sir.
is, are smart cities more
Like,
sustainable?
is the smart city same? Is the concept of smart city same as the sustainable city?
Okay, two aspects. Okay, one, smart is defined in various ways. Smart, if you go in the long earliest part from the management, they say smart is what? Specific, okay, then measurable, achievable, result oriented, time bound. That is how they started. Okay, something you want to see. Then second part came in. Now I think the definition of smart city came in, wherein they want to use the smart technology, but most importantly, the definition says how we use the natural resources more efficiently. Okay, so that is what a smart city has definition has come. Okay, definition. On the other hand, sustainable development, I have given you the sustainable development definition also. Okay, they say whatever you are going to consume, whatever you want to use, we need to use energy, we need to use resources. It's not that we say I'm going to just not do anything. Not possible. We need to consume simple thing, water, food, we need energy, we want to move around, okay, or so we are going to use it. And when the other say when you're going to use it sustainably as per the need. जितना चाहिए उतना ही लीजिए, ज्यादा मत लीजिए. Just because we go to the buffet, okay, जहाँ पे खाना बहुत सारा है, पूरा प्लेट भर देता हूँ मैं, और बाद में पता नहीं मिलेगा कि नहीं, लेके जाता हूँ, फिर आधा फेंक देता हूँ. That is not good. Take as per the need, not greed. Correct? Not greed. That is another part they are saying. Take as per the needs, minimum. Even I think most of the philosophers, they are also saying same thing. That is, and so that we are not overtaxing from the taking from the future. Okay, That is what they say. Suppose I consume so much that very less left for the future, then it will be a problem for next generation. So take as per needs without compromising the needs of the future generation. That is sustainable. Now, smart city, if designed and work on that principle, they can become sustainable. Okay, and that is where both of them can go. We can synergize smart, sustainable, sustainably smart, smartly sustainable. Okay, both we can use it appropriately. Okay, so as long as it satisfies both the parameters, then they can become smart cities, can become sustainable cities, sustainable smart cities. Okay.
Thank
Next
you,
question.
sir.
Next question.
Yeah. Participants are requested to ask your queries. Sir, one more question from Professor Prashant Tado from RIT.
Go ahead.
He wants to know, like, can you share any remarkable inventions that can help to protect our environment recently? He wants to know about recent inventions about the protection of our environment.
Recent invention.
Yeah, like any remarkable recent invention.
Remarkable. So, did Professor, have you attended my session just now, ma'am? Have you attended the session
Yes, sir.
wherein I had
He
given
got. Just right. He has attended. He just got disconnected, I think.
So, did you find any of them? One of them remarkable, not all, but some of them remarkable one. Didn't you find anything there? Or you want still more? You want more?
Still he wants to know more applications.
More about it. Okay, more about it. Remarkable you are talking about. Okay. One of the things that is going to happen now is shifting quickly to the hydrogen economy. Okay, hydrogen. I mentioned briefly because I will come back on and talk more about it. So yes, that is one. Another one very remarkable. If he's which background professor is that I do not know, but I can give that example is carbon capture and sequestration. This is one of the very powerful one. Okay, carbon capture sequestration, use of the carbon in different captured carbon can be used for various other means. Okay, one simple one. Okay, clean coal technology, another one. So these are things easily can be used. They can try and use it. Okay, thank you very much for that question. If you need from other area, I can tell also. Okay, yes, Professor Manisha ji, you wanted to say something, correct? I think you can go ahead. You can go ahead and ask. Professor Manisha Bhole ji, you just want to ask question? Go ahead, please.
Manisha ma'am.
Okay, I thought she wanted to ask some question.
Yeah, maybe network issues.
Okay. Is the professor who asked the question is still there? Professor, what is his name you mentioned? Is still there? Okay, you can, or anyone else. Okay, we can interact. I know. My personal choice is don't wait for someone else to tell you remarkable. You make it remarkable. Start with simple. Start with simple. Whatever simple can become beautiful. Okay, and start and do it. Make it happen. Yes, Professor Pradeep ji. I think somebody unmuted. Go ahead, Professor Pradeep. You can you have unmuted. You want to ask question? If you can see other hands or something, please let me know. Okay, because Professor
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm going to find out. Participants, please welcome with your queries if you have. This is very good opportunity we have today. To research point of view also, if you have any queries, please ask us, sir.
Yes, go ahead, madam. Are you able to unmute yourself? Okay. लगता है सबको भूख लगी है.
हाँ.
Yes, something
Sir,
in chat. One more has come.
yeah. Sir, there is question from Professor Bashindari Samantha in chat box.
Okay, I think there are two couple. Okay, now I can
हाँ.
see. Okay, one is
He
not
wants,
able to.
हाँ.
Okay, how do we do sustainable development in rural area? Okay, what you want? Rural area has got more chance to do sustainable development. It is what you do. Basically, वहाँ पे कचरा मत फेंकिए. बाहर cities don't go and put your कचरा in rural areas. Okay, that is what is happening sometimes the villages. Okay, one, two. I know they are using energy in their farms. Now, one of the things everybody is trying in rural is how to use solar, okay, solarized pump, which can reduce consumption of electricity coming from the fossilized energy. That is one part I can give from energy point of view. Today's energy subject, so we'll focus more on energy. Okay, that is one. Rural also, there is a waste generated, how that waste can be converted into biogas or bioenergy. That is also a good form of sustainable development. And training them to, suppose you are going to install some solar or equivalent equipments there, the younger people can be trained there to take up those repair jobs that can become their starting small business also. Okay, they can start their own business. These are the couple of things I can mention, and more things obviously will come, because I think one part I know from one company, the Sunrise Solar I mentioned to you. What they do is they are using solar thermal, and that a nice disk is created which can be used by rural people for cooking. For what they are doing is now is what I know from engineer Deepak Gadia ji, is that instead of some of the vegetables which are perishable one, they can convert that into equivalent process one. Okay, example he mentioned is was creating biscuits, creating maybe from potato to potato chips, which will last longer, and like that. Okay, even some of them were using for ironing also. So those typical solar thermal can be used. Typical solar thermal can also be used for processing grains. Okay, and if they are used for that purpose, their life increases. If you can design nice solarized refrigerators, freezers, that will add value, because that is what one of the major concern is there, because they say 50% of vegetables are wasted because of the perishable life, and if we have got more proper storage, their life can be increased, and as a result farmers can get better yield. So let us work on that also, how you can make a solarized or equivalent, any other equivalent that can store those perishable vegetables, that will increase the lifespan of that product they create. And obviously where there is no electricity, then street lights, they are saying solar lamps are there, so how they can be funded, how they can be created through institutions, so that they know how to operate, how to use it. Because if they have to pay and invest it, it is more expensive, but it can be rented, then it can become another startup for some villagers. So these are the things I can mention from energy point of view, energy management point of view. Thank you. Okay. can we go with the big data analysis for microgrids? So who stops you, ma'am? Professor Vijay Lakshmi ji, yes, who stops you? Microgrid research, big data analysis will be required because microgrid is not only one. Okay, single microgrid is islander one. So whenever everybody is creating microgrid and they get connected, they form a mini grid, and as a result, you'll have a lot of data. It will be very similar to what you can see now. We have been seeing, I think recently we have been watching about this Amul Doodh, okay, Amul milk, correct? Amul milk started with a cooperative, small one coming together and they become bigger one. Same way, microgrid concept is same. Okay, microgrid concept is same. They can be brought together. They need to analyze, to make it efficiently work. We need a lot of data analysis. We have to take at the almost every second that data, every half a minute or something, and process it so that you can manage better. So big data can be applied to microgrid research also. IEEE has sample data for that, and you can. Okay, so who wants to share something?
Dr. Anita Patil.
Yes, what do you want to share, ma'am? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, please. Next question. I think two from this one I have answered. Thank you for those questions. Any other question? We have got few more minutes, correct? Before your professors start knocking at your doors.
Yes, sir. The next concept is actually next lecture is on microgrid only.
Wow, then that's good. It can go to next level. Okay, good.
Yes,
You can
sir.
continue that question. How microgrids, what they can do
Yes, sir.
in details. I have shown you one microgrid, okay, structure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, coming from IIT?
Yes, sir. IIT Goa.
Goa, wonderful. So I think then the professor will go into details about it. I know.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Yes. Yes,
So
Professor
I think
Professor Gajanan wants to ask something before we go to the next one.
Kumbhar, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Vijay Lakshmi, for your question. Bandishari. Okay. Thank you. So
I think, sir, no more questions from the participants.
okay. Thank you very
So,
much to you and your team. And now I leave it to you to make the concluding
yeah,
remarks.
sir, 1 minute only. Just a minute. So I'm really thankful to you, sir, for enlightening such a wonderful session. It is packed of lot of information into a very short time. Your years of research, your depth of understanding of user interfaces, and your ability to present the subject in such an interesting way. Today is one of the most remarkable and memorable sessions today. So I personally appreciated your approach to anticipating all the users' intent. The subject really interests us, and I really interested means we are really interested to plan to learn more from you. So thank you so much, sir, for such outstanding presentation and sharing tremendous knowledge with us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. And those you feel that your college students and others can benefit, you can invite me. I will be happy to now deliver because now I can come easily virtually anytime. Okay, whenever you have got. So let me know and we can organize. So anyone who is interested, all professors, okay, if you feel that your college, your students, your faculty members can benefit from such interaction, I will be happy to conduct session for you in your colleges. Contact Dr. Vaishali ji. I have given my email address. If we can do it jointly also.
Sharing your contact numbers and all the details with the participants in the group.
Sure.
So
Please
they can directly approach to you also, and I will also try to contact you.
Yes, both ways.
Thank you so much,
Welcome.
sir.
Yeah, thank you very
much. Thank you so much, sir. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. सतर्क रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए. Stay safe. If you can vaccinate, get vaccinated. And thank you very much. Jai Hind.
All the participants are requested to get back at 12:30 for the next session. Kindly leave this meeting now.
Yeah, you can now. I will keep it for some time. Those who want to interact for a few more minutes, I will keep it open. And obviously, on time, please go to the next session announced by Professor Vaishali ji. So you had this Zoom is only for my session. My university is given permission for me only. Okay, so I wanted to have interaction. That is why I requested it. I am looking forward to interact with you more on 27th. Okay, that is another very interesting topic: green vehicle transportation system, sustainable green.
Sure, sir.
Uh,
Thank you so much.
Yes, go
Yeah.
ahead. Somebody else. Somebody want to ask? Go ahead.
Sir,
Still ask.
this is Vijayalakshmi from SRM IST.
Yes,
I'm
Vijayalakshmi.
working as assistant professor there. So you said that if we call for any invitee for giving any lecture for students, will you do that, sir?
Yes, you invite me. You have got my email address. If it is going to benefit anyone, I will be happy to do it, because this.
Oh,
I will
thank you.
share you details, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I already
Sir,
put.
please share
I
your
think
details, sir.
so. I already I put on. I think first slide is. But ma'am, ask ma'am. Ma'am will give you everything. Okay. I am giving
Okay, sir.
permission to her. My email address is there. My WhatsApp number is there. I'm giving her permission. This is for faculty members. If you feel the students can benefit, your
Okay.
other faculty members who are not able to attend can benefit. Okay, please interact with Dr. Vaishali or my email address. I think I will type one more time in chat box. Dear Viker at, okay, there are two, okay, Gmail and Outlook. Whichever is convenient for you, you can send it to me. Send me information. We'll work out mutually convenient way. Okay. This is my personal,
sir.
and another one also I use it, outlook.com. Okay, outlook.com also I use it. Sometimes what happens is some of you are not able to use on Gmail. So both email addresses are working. I put in
Thank
chat box, then plus plus 65981 Okay. Uh,
Oh, thank you, sir. I
so
have
yeah,
noted, sir.
yeah. For
Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Welcome,
and
ma'am.
also
Thanks a lot for a nice response to this session.
thank you.
Sir, I think we should end here because we have only 15 minutes right now.
They can go anytime. They can go anytime, and now they need not stay here. I'm just saying those who are interested stay back few minutes, and then
Okay.
others they can go take a break. Okay, thank you very much, and
Have a nice day, sir.
you
Thank
too,
you.
and see you on the 27 again. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we'll do the same arrangement. I will send the link for the next session, and then we can do it same way. Thank you, Ravindraji. Yes, Rakeshji, you want to say something? Ravindraji, you want to say something? You can see. Okay, now you can show your webcam. You can speak for a few minutes. I'm available before I go for my. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome, and look forward to interacting with you more. Okay. Okay. Last call before I close this session. Last call. Anybody else wants to say something?